This is marble run number 1. There are 3 different paths. The first path, I'm going to push down that red thing. The marble's going to go around. I'm just going to go through the gear and then do the maze and drop past this spinning thing through the squiggle and down into the funnel, into the finish. And the second way, I'm going to tip this. It's going to go in, and it's going to drop down the slide and land in here. And it's going to go through this thing and through the squiggle and to the funnel. And the third way, I'm going to put it in the zigzag, and it's going to go down the slide, land in here, and do the exact same thing. So, way 1 in 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, that way works. Way 2 in 3, 2, 1, go. Finally, way 3 in 3, 2, 1, go.